So today we're going to take a deep dive into eBay product research, focusing specifically on small items that sell extremely fast on eBay. And the beauty about these small items lie in their numerous advantages, such as they require minimum storage space, they offer low shipping and packing costs, and most importantly, they tend to sell out very quickly. During my recent eBay research, I came across a great example. It's this compact USB adapter which weighs only 0.08 ounces and has achieved 9,847 sales in just 30 days. That's right, 9,847 sales. So in this video, I'll be revealing the 10 small yet fast-selling items just like the lightweight USB adapter. And I've spent the last week carefully researching and validating the sizes, the prices, the demand, and the competition for these items. So by the end of this video, you will have a hand-picked list of potential gold mines. All that is left for you to do is to find a reliable supplier. So are you ready to uncover these gems? Let's start with number 10. Let me jump here. So item number 10, gemstone beads. Look, over the last 30 days, the keyword gemstone beads has resulted in a sale of 859 units, generating a total revenue of $2,786. Among the top sellers in the gemstone beads category is the natural gemstone beads round loose wholesale item. This item is available for just $398 and it's a 15.5-inch strand offering beads from at least 4 millimeters in size. Very lightweight. Number 9, bulbs. In the last 30 days, the search term bulbs has led to the sale of 1,981 items, bringing revenue of $23,155. This data right here highlights the remarkable potential of small items like bulbs in driving fast sales and substantial revenue. Under the bulb search term, one of the smallest top-selling items is this lead corn light bulb right here. It's priced at $299 with compact dimensions of just 0.88 inches in width and 2.12 inches in height. Item number 8, tag. In the past 30 days, the search term tag has led to the sale of 3,865 units, bringing revenue of $50,748. And among the top sellers in the tag category is the custom engraved pet personalized pet tag. And these small tags measuring just 1.1 inch by 0.8 inch have proven to be quite popular, and each tag is priced at $499 and there's some discounts right here. Item number 7, bracelet. Over the last month, the term bracelet on eBay has resulted in 6,460 sales, making a really cool revenue of $41,288. And again, this just goes to show how selling something so small as bracelets can quickly add up to big bucks. And among the best sellers under the term bracelet, it's this handmade 4 millimeter bracelet right here, selling for 99 cents. And measures only 7.25 inches in length. All right, so are you finding these insights from my research helpful? If so, I would truly appreciate if you could subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to me and to our channel. Thank you so much. Now let's move to item number 6, micro SD. Also, in the same time period, people looking for micro SD on eBay bought 6,854 items in the last 30 days with sale earnings of $60,793. And a top seller in the micro SD category is this right here, is the SanDisk, offering options from 16 to 128 gigabytes. And you can get one for as low as $4.98, and it's really tiny, just about 0.6 inches by 0.4 inches. All right, so we're at the halfway mark now with 5 more exciting items left to reveal. Stay here, don't go anywhere, let's look at them. Now let's talk about item number 5 then, the bubble mailer. And when we search for bubble mailer, this is what we see. 7,159 sold items in the last 30 days, generating a revenue of almost $200 $110,000. And the top selling product under this search term is this any size poly bubble mailer with many different colors, and it's selling for $7.95 with different sizes. The smaller size is 4 by 8 inches in size. Now let's move to item number 4, necklace. The term necklace on eBay was a hit with 7,336 sold items in the last 30 days with a total sale revenues of $123,331. And one of the hot items under this term is this stainless steel silver chain right here, measuring from 16 to 36 inches. And the price starts at just $4.99. And it comes from sizes ranging, here it says 16, but down here in the description you can find sizes ranging from 7 to 36 inches. Very lightweight as well. Item number 3, USB adapter. Coming as number 3, it's a Featherlight product weighing just 0.0 ounces, discovered under the search term USB adapter. And this particular term has seen a staggering of 9,847 sales in the last 30 days, making a revenue of almost $40,000. Focusing on our highlighted item, it stands out as the top selling product within the USB adapter category, and it's a 3-pack USB-C product right here, and it's priced at $2.35. Very light. Item number 2 is coin battery. In the past 30 days alone, the search term has racked up an impressive 10,789 sales, generating a revenue of $41,656. And the leading product under this category is the 10-pack battery of Toshiba's 3-volt lithium battery right here, selling for $3.98. And this item's popularity just highlights again demand for compact, efficient power sources like these coin batteries and small products to sell. Now let's move to our item number 1. Are you ready for this? Item number 1 is iPhone case. And the keyword iPhone case has made 17,589 sales the last 30 days, generating a revenue of around $120,000. And the top selling product under this keyword is this MagSafe magnet case for iPhone, which also comes with a camera lens protector, selling for $1.98, weighing only 1.41 ounces. So are you curious about how I discovered these items? I use Zik Analytics to really dig into niche markets and check out what my competitors are doing. So my approach is to sort things out by price. So I end up finding sellers who focus on cheap items, usually the small items like we have seen here. So after that, I work backward to figure out why these small cheap items are doing well. It's like a reverse engineering. So are you interested in diving deeper? If you are, you can try Zik Analytics for just $1. And before I sign off, here's a pro tip. Small and affordable items can boost your sales ranking. And why? Well, because they tend to generate high volume of sales. And eBay's algorithm favors stores with high sell-through rate and more sales than listings. So by selling the items that are showed here in this video, you can boost your sales easily. Now, if you are just starting out, I also recommend beginning with these kinds of items. And once you establish steady sales, your store's ranking and sales velocity stabilized, and then you can transition to listing higher priced items. I hope you found this video useful, and for more product tips and selling guides, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep moving forward and see you next time.